So, you're thinking about Westpac. The name itself, Westpac, is a bit of a clue, isn't it? It's a portmanteau of Western and Pacific, which definitely points to a regional focus. But does that mean it's exclusively Australian? Let's get into it. Westpac is, without a doubt, a major Australian institution. It's Australia's first and oldest bank, founded way back in 1817 as the Bank of New South Wales. It's one of the big four banks in Australia, a household name. You'll see Westpac branches on every other street corner and their ATMs everywhere. For retail banking, your everyday accounts, home loans, and credit cards, they are a massive player right there in Australia. But the story doesn't end at the Australian border. Westpac also has a significant and long-standing presence in New Zealand. They're one of the biggest banks there, and in many ways, they operate as a separate entity. In fact, for a lot of New Zealanders, Westpac is simply their local bank. They have a full network of branches and offer a complete range of services for consumers and businesses in New Zealand. The New Zealand business is a huge part of the Westpac group. Now, beyond these two main markets, things get a little different. Westpac has a presence in some Pacific Island nations, specifically Fiji and Papua New Guinea. Here, they're providing banking services that support the local economies and customers. It's a smaller part of their overall business, but it's still a physical, operational presence outside of Australia. So, is that it? Australia, New Zealand, and a couple of Pacific Islands? Not quite. Westpac also has an institutional and corporate banking arm that operates globally. Think big business, not your personal savings account. They have branches and offices in major financial hubs like London, New York, and across Asia. These international offices are not there for you to pop in and open a checking account. Their purpose is to serve commercial, corporate, and government clients with connections to Australia and New Zealand. This could be a large company in the UK that wants to do business with an Australian partner or an Australian firm looking to expand into the US. Westpac's global network helps facilitate those massive, cross-border transactions. So, to sum it up, is Westpac an Australian bank? Absolutely, it's a defining part of the Australian financial landscape. But is it only Australian? No. It's a multinational financial services company with a strong focus on Australia and New Zealand, and a global presence that supports its institutional clients. It's a classic case of a company that is fundamentally rooted in one country but has grown to have a much broader reach.